YouTube, I'm Helen from Helen's House and Garden. In this video today I'm going to show you how to prepare a whole fresh bulb of garlic, which you can then go on to use in any dish which requires garlic. So you just need to grab your bulb of garlic and with a twisting action release all the individual cloves. Once you've done that, just remove all the paper outer casing, put that to one side. It can go into your composter or your wormery, and work your way through the whole bulb, doing that to start off with. Working through the whole bulb, make a pile of the individual cloves, putting all the outer casings to one side. In working through this way, you won't accidentally throw out a whole piece of garlic, which when you've got lots of skins hanging around, it's quite easy to do by mistake. As you go through the whole bulb of garlic, make sure that there are no individual cloves that have gone off or bad bits. You can see here that I found one that's yellow and all dried out. That's not going to taste very nice, it's no good for cooking, so just put that to one side and that can go in the compost or wormery with the rest of your peelings. Having separated all the individual cloves, the next step is to peel each individual clove. At the bottom of each clove you'll find a hard woody end, which you need to cut that off with a knife, and then just use your knife to peel off and remove the outer skin. Then it's just a question of working through all the cloves until you've finished. Should you find any bad bits of the garlic, they generally look black, just get your knife and slice it off just like I'm showing you here. And it's perfectly fine to use the remainder of the clove. And that's it, that's all you need to do to prepare your garlic for use into whole clove. It's really quite easy, so please do give it a go. Also, if you like this video, please hit like, subscribe, share, ring the bell for notifications. I'll be showing you how to make honey fermented garlic, and for this we will need to use the whole cloves. If you have any questions, please hit me up in comments below and I'll get back to you. So take care and I'll be seeing you.